In today's video, I will walk you through how to change your account nickname on Deribit. Changing your account name depends on whether you want to update your main account username or change the alias for one of your sub-accounts. The process is slightly different for each one, so we'll go through both. To change your main account username, start by logging into your primary Deribit account. Once you're in, click the My Account or Profile icon located in the top right corner of the page. From the menu that appears, select Settings, or go directly to the Account Settings tab if you're already there. In the Profile Details section, locate the username field. Click the Edit option next to it, then enter the new username you want to use. After typing in your updated username, save the changes to apply the update. Keep in mind that even after changing your username, you will still need to use your registered email address when logging in. Your updated username or custom nickname cannot be used as your login. If you want to change the nickname for a sub-account instead, click the My Account icon in the top right corner and select Sub-Accounts. You can also go directly to the Sub-Accounts page if you're already navigating through your account settings. On the Sub-Accounts page, find the specific sub-account that you want to rename. Once you've located it, look for the Name Change or Alias section associated with that sub-account. Click the Edit button to begin making changes. Enter the new alias or custom name you want to assign to the sub-account. Replace the existing name with your preferred one, then confirm the change and save the update. After the changes are saved, the new sub-account alias will update immediately in the Account Toggle menu located in the top right corner. The updated name will appear there whenever you switch between your available sub-accounts. If your goal is to update your main account identity, edit the username field from your account settings and save your changes. If you only want to rename one of your sub-accounts, open the Sub-Accounts page, edit the alias or name change setting for the selected sub-account, enter the new name and save it. That's all there is to changing your account username or updating a sub-account nickname on Deribit. Thank you for watching.